Connect the gas line to the water filter valve and connect the device to the gas tank. Pull the knob up and rotate clockwise to set the desired pressure. Push down to lock. Connect the device to AC power. Open the device casing. Twist the emergency stop button clockwise to release it. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The light will lighting. Enter the device parameter interface. Enter password 6. You can change the desired language according to your needs. It is not recommended to change other settings. Enter the laser interface. Enter the cleaning mode. Interface. Enter password 1. Select from 6 general modes based on the material to be cleaned. No parameter adjustment is required. Enter the custom process library. Select the type of swing you want. Press the wobble and laser buttons to turn it on. Turn off the wobble and laser buttons. Turn off the power button. Press the emergency stop button.